Follow along to make another easy Halloween costume. I use innertubes, a Lifesaver logo that I printed large and put together, and velcro to hold it all together. Super easy to make and very cost effective. I purchased 2 boxes of innertubes and blew them up. I used adhesive velcro to attach the inner tubes. Make sure to alternate colors. I trimmed my logo, put it together, and covered it with clear tape. Use a piece of velcro to attach the logo to the side. Pair with jeans and comfortable shoes. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.